relationship between central difference operator delta, forward difference operator capital delta, and inverse shift operator e raised to negative 1 by 2. The relation is central difference operator equals forward difference operator multiplied to inverse shift operator e raised to negative 1 by 2. Let's look at the proof. When you give f of x as input to central difference operator, the output is f of x plus h by 2 minus f of x minus h by 2. Notice that when you give f of x minus h by 2 as input to forward difference operator, the output is f of x minus h by 2 plus h minus the same function f of x minus h by 2. Here we have h minus h by 2 will give positive h by 2. Thus, the output is f of x plus h by 2 minus f of x minus h by 2, which is exactly the same expression. So, this can also be written in this way. We have discussed f of x minus h by 2 can be written as e raised to negative 1 by 2 acting on f of x. Thus, you have this expression written as forward difference operator multiplied to e raised to negative 1 by 2 acting on input f of x. From this deduction, it's clear that giving f of x as input to central difference operator is exactly the same as giving the same input f of x to the operator forward difference operator multiplied to e raised to negative 1 by 2. The working of these two operators are the same, and thus we proved delta equals capital delta into e raised to negative 1 by 2.